Hey y'all, Backwoods Modeler here. Welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm kind of just screwing around with a bunch of new parts that I've got, trying to determine which trucks I want to put them on, what I want to build. I got a nice set for a welding rig that I got from a guy on eBay. Comes with the welder, got the tanks in there, got a nice toolbox on the back, even came with the bed. Pretty nice, got the extended fenders on the back, got the nice tail lights on there, it looks pretty good. Extra toolboxes on top. These welding tanks come out of here, both of them. They both come out so you can paint them and then put them back in. You can take them out, whatever you want to do. That one works good. This one over here is a little tight, so before I paint it, I'm going to have to sand them down a little bit, because after I put a layer of paint on them, they are not going to want to go back in there. So got to do a little bit of sanding on them before we put them back in there. But there's a really cool tank holder that comes with this kit. So welder, real nice. Got the detail on there, the gauges and everything, and the dials and everything looks pretty sweet. Got our exhaust on there. Guessing that's a fill cap, and it is detailed pretty good. Came with a toolbox to set on the back. I think that looks pretty slick too. I also got this other utility bed. This is a lot bigger. This is probably for like a C60 or something like that. It's a little bit big and wide to fit most of my pickups, so I'm not sure what I'll use this for, but I got it. And then this other one comes with its own headache rack, and then it's got a cutout here to put your ball for your fifth wheel. I don't know if we'll put anything else on that bed or not, but this is a nice, good detail on this bed too. All the stuff I've ordered off the internet. I got another bigger back window rack here, headache rack, whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure if this is for this bed. It seems a little narrow for this bed, so I'm not sure if that's what it's for yet or not. So, but anyway, I've got that. Also came with a couple of cable, wire, hose, reels, whatever you want to call them. I got 2 of these, so we'll add those to the build. Maybe we'll try to come up with some hoses and put those on there. What I'm working on here, truck-wise, I'm working on another Black Zella. I've been working on this truck for about a week now. It's been sitting here. I already got the bottom set. I'm going to do this one a little differently. I don't know if you've seen one of my last build, my white dually. I notched these out to recess the wheels and tires up in there a little bit, just so it's not jacked up quite as high as some of the other ones. So trying to do things a little differently. Trying to not make the same exact truck every single time, even though they basically all turn out that way. Got a back window rack for that one. That's already painted and ready to go. Got the front heavy duty bumper painted and ready to go. We just got to glue a winch on there. What else have we got? We got a toolbox, an exhaust tip for that truck already painted and ready to go. Just got to get it put on there. So the progress on that truck is coming. It's just coming slow. It's been a busy week with work and all. I haven't had a whole lot of time to work on it. So I already got the wheels and tires ready to go. Got the axles cut, the tubing already cut. All I got to do is just get them glued on there and cut them to final length, and those are good. This bed here, I wanted to put it. It's got the welder and then the tanks. I'm not exactly sure how you'd want to put them. We'll have to figure that out yet. In the picture that I bought it from, it was kind of set up like that. So we may put it together like that. I don't know. But what we're trying to determine is, what truck am I putting it on? Y'all can help me with that. If you are so willing to comment below which truck you'd like to see me put this bed on. I'm going to paint all this up yet. I'm going to leave the bed black. I'm going to paint the toolbox and the containers. I'm going to paint both the tanks. I'm going to paint one green, one reddish orange, or red or orange, or whatever I can come up with. And then we're going to paint the welder, get that all set, and then we're going to put that on a truck. And you guys can help me decide which truck we're putting it on. I have this black Chevy, which actually has a GMC Denali bed setting on it, just because I was considering putting that on there, but I just never got around to it. You can see it has Green Machine version. We can change all that and paint that up. So I have this Chevy that would look good on. That would make a pretty good welding rig. And then I have this red Ford that all we have to do is cut the bed off of it, and it's ready to go. Have to get some wheels and tires for it. Now I have these two white Dodges, and these are what I really wanted to put it on, but they both have significant paint boogers in them. This one right up through here, I don't know if you can make it out on camera, but this is all screwed up right through here. And on this side, I'm going to roll it off the table. On this side, same thing. It's got a couple of big boogers in the paint right there. So that put that one out. And then I was going to use this other one. And it's got the same issue. It's got the same line of paint boogers all the way up this fender and hood line right there. And then it's got the same, if I can get the focus, same crap right there. Which, you know, really takes away from it. Makes them look bad. So, I got those two, but I really don't want to use those. Those are probably going to end up in the scrap bin. And then I have this red Dodge that I've had for a while, but this doesn't have the Cummins in it. So, I think that already puts this one out. So, you help me figure it out. Are you going to use the red Ford, the black Chevy? And I guess that pretty much narrows it down, the red Ford or the black Chevy, because the two white ones are pretty much out, the red one's out, and that's all I've pulled out to try it on. So, y'all want to comment below. Maybe we'll get this video out before next weekend, and maybe next Sunday that will be the new build video. We'll see how that goes. So, anyway, what else have I done? I have gone and I bought a Vanishing Point truck set that came with this truck. The only reason I bought this whole set was for these tires and wheels, which is crazy because it's hard to find these trucks now. And I like those tires and wheels because that's what I put on this truck. And this truck obviously turned out pretty good because it sold. This truck actually started out, getting them too close here, ain't I? As this truck. So we took this truck and turned it in to this truck, and I think we made major improvements, and then sold it. See if I can slide it back here a little bit better. So yeah, that truck is going out to, I'm not sure if he's a viewer or not. That brings up a good question. Does any of my viewers, you guys, own any of my trucks? I have built and sold more than 200 trucks. I'm just curious if people that buy my trucks watch my videos. Just curious. If you do, comment below. That would be nice to know. In the back here, let's slide some of this out of the way, and I'll pull up a set here that I just picked up. If I can reach it. This Coca-Cola truck set. It's kind of a cool Corvette. I'm not into that old of a Corvette. That's what, a 59. It's a little beyond me. I like muscle cars and muscle trucks. But, you know, it had this crew cab dually in there, and I kind of like these trucks, so I got this one. What exactly we're going to do with it, I don't know. We're going to do something with it. Maybe tone it down, get rid of some of the black or get rid of the red. It's not a very even paint job. I don't know if you can tell that through the camera or not, but the paint is a little off on it, so this could be a good candidate for a repaint. We definitely don't like all red, so that is just another truck that I picked up. And that is about it, y'all. Y'all want to comment below if you want to see those videos, see which truck I build next week. That would be great. You can vote on that. Other than that, I hope y'all liked this video. If you liked it, think about subscribing. And check me out on Instagram. Check me out on eBay. All that information will be in the video description. Don't forget to come back. Y'all have a good day. Bye now.